Nelson, that is called apartheid. Very unfair system, and one day someone will come and change the system. Nelson, what do you want to be when you grow up? I want to help people. I want everyone to be treated the same, no matter their skin color. In South Africa, people get treated differently because of their color or their skin. One day, Nathan was going with his friend. Hey, you cannot allow to park here too there. That is not allowed. But we are friends. It doesn't matter. Rules are rules. Go away. Nielsen knew this was wrong and he had to do something. He studied hard and became a lawyer to help people. He spoke up and fought for what was right. Nielsen fought for freedom and equality, but he was arrested and sent to the prison of 27 years.
You must stay here. You are not allowed to speak against government.
I am taking business, but my hope and love for the people are free.
You will never change anything, Mandela.